Yeah, good morning, Maria. How are you?
Good morning, Naima. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. Just, Maria, we want to take a brief how you came to know about our IMH, about Dr. Nikita, how it was your surgery, how you go through, and after surgery, like how it was your
My journey from
starting.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Well, for past 3 years, I was facing something which was internally checked from my gynecologist, Dr. Uma from Sharjah Winal Clinic, and it was like she had suggested that I should go for a surgery. For past 2 years, she had been convincing me, but since I'm a single mother and my son was pretty small then, I was not prepared. Then it's office related, and then you have other responsibilities, so I had to plan accordingly. Till last month, when she warned me that it's high time I should get it operated. And finally, I spoke to Dr. Rishikesh, who had also handling my other physical issues, and he referred to me that I should go for a laparoscopy rather than I should go and get a surgeon from Pakistan.
Oh, very good.
So he referred Dr. Hafiz, but since he was not available in town, so I called the receptionist at Dubai Modern Hospital, and I spoke to this lovely lady who convinced me with her magic words that I should come and see Dr. Nikita. Dr. Nikita is just not the name. For me, she's an angel, godmother, my fairy, a person who gave life to me. To be very honest, I was not ready to come and see her because I had so many other reasons, thinking new name, new person to meet. But Nemat, with her magical words, she convinced that, okay, don't get the surgery done, but at least meet Dr. Nikita, which itself was not a wrong decision. When I came,
because you are not an easy person to convince.
Yes.
Actually.
On the phone she could sense.
Yes, I could notice that she's not the person that I convince her for something she's not believing.
True.
Actually, yeah, I was coming to her in another way.
Gradually.
And see
like catching a fish.
Yes. No problem.
My son had exams also, so I was in a state whether I should be going and meeting the doctor or whether I should get my responsibilities finished. I had to speak to the HR. It was like something which was unplanned. When I came like 2 weeks ago, I was not this person. I was completely nervous, shattered. I didn't even have words to even say, "Good morning, Dr. Nikita." I just stood at the door, just saw her, felt her first, her appearance. Maybe she doesn't know what I'm telling at the moment. By looking at her and through her eyes,
she's having beautiful eyes, actually.
Beautiful. She read till here, deep down.
Yes.
And she could sense that I was really nervous. She let me have my own time, my space. She didn't talk about the surgery. She didn't talk anything. She just talked about me, my person, as a person, how many members in the family. She just did a general checkup. And she also said, we will not do any surgery or anything. You're not ready, etc., etc. And calmly, then she explained after doing a checkup that this is the position, this needs to be done. And I just blurted out saying, okay, then we'll just do it. As a matter of fact, I just said it, that we'll do it today. And she was ready. I didn't know that that was the time that was called in the stars. And
done.
I was admitted the same very day. My son was called. The staff, Namath, they were very friendly, very welcoming, knowing that the child attendant is not allowed in the hospital. They gave me that comfort. They knew my first priority is my son. They made me feel very comfortable.
He's our son.
And thank you all for making it possible. I didn't know what I was before leaving for the OT, but when I came back, it was like a new me. And in these 2 weeks, I can't even say that I was going through a trauma. Thank you, Dr. Nikita. Thank you, Nemat, the entire staff, the hygiene, the food, and everything. The hospital, Dubai Modern Hospital, right? I would recommend everyone, whoever is facing this problem. So please don't think that it's a new name. Come over, see the doctor, at least visit, decide for yourself, because yes, she is magical.
You know that it is all the time the patient, they are confusing that it is Dubai International, it is International Modern Hospital, yes. Because most of the patients, they are confused with this name.
And I would also like to add, yes, my office had people who were very supportive. They were in connection with the staff to let them feel that please take your time, recover. So thank you everyone who's connected to me in this part of my journey. Thank you, Namath, for convincing this hard fish. Thank you, Dr. Nikita. I love you.
Thank you.